Theta value equivalent to 13.8066 rands a coin. The present cost range, 13.7324. 14.0486. The earlier day close, 14.1704. The change was 0.3638, 2.57%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, August 7. Costs 13.82 rands, high 14.79, low 12.85. Theta estimate on Tuesday, August 8. Costs 13.99 rands, high 14.97, low 13.01. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9. Costs 13.71 rands, high 14.67, low 12.75. Theta estimate on Thursday, August 10. Cost 14.03 rands, high 15.01, low 13.05. Theta cost forecast on Friday, August 11. Costs 13.77 rands, high 14.73, low 12.81. In multi-week Theta estimate on Monday, August 14. Costs 13.48 rands, high 14.42, low 12.54. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 14.05 rands, high 15.03, low 13.07. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 14.24 rands, high 15.24, low 13.24. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Costs 13.42 rands, high 14.36, low 12.48. Theta conjecture on Friday, August 18. Costs 12.79 rands, high 13.69, low 11.89. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Costs 13.92 rands, high 14.89, low 12.95. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 22. Costs 13.22 rands, high 14.15, low 12.29. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Costs 13.85 rands, high 14.82, low 12.88. Theta conjecture on Thursday, August 24. Costs 13.44 rands, high 14.38, low 12.50. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Costs 13.71 rands, high 14.67, low 12.75. In 3 weeks Theta conjecture on Monday, August 28. Cost 14.21 rands, high 15.20, low 13.22. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 14.24 rands, high 15.24, low 13.24. Theta gauge on Wednesday, August 30. Costs 13.62 rands, high 14.57, low 12.67. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, August 31. Costs 13.56 rands, high 14.51, low 12.61. Theta gauge on Friday, September 1. Costs 12.98 rands, high 13.89, low 12.07. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, September 4. Costs 12.72 rands, high 13.61, low 11.83. Theta gauge on Tuesday, September 5. Costs 12.57 rands, high 13.45, low 11.69. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 11.25 rands, exorbitant cost 11.25, while low cost 9.53. The middle value of cost 10.57. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.25, change for December 8.9%. Theta gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 10.25 rands, excessive cost 10.69, while low cost 9.29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.06. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 9.99, change for January 2.5%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 9.99 rands, excessive cost 9.99, while low cost 8.34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.32. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 8.97, change for February 10.2%. Theta figure for WOC 2024. Initially cost at 8.97 rands, excessive cost 11.06, while low cost 8.97. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.84. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 10.34. Change for spring 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 10.34 rands. Excessive cost 12.83. While low cost 10.34. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.38. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.99. Change for April 16.0%. Theta figure for May 2024. To start with cost at 11.99 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.03. While low cost 11.33. They found the middle value of cost 12.13. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.18. Change for May 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 12.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.24. While low cost 11.50. They found the middle value of cost 12.32. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.37. Change for June 1.6%. Theta estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 12.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.51. While low cost 12.37. They found the middle value of cost 13.20. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.56. Change for July 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 13.56 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.28. While low cost 12.42. They found the middle value of cost 13.40. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.35. Change for August 1.5%. Theta figure for September 2024. Initially cost at 13.35 rands. Excessive cost 13.35. While low cost 11.08. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.42. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.91. Change for September 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at 11.91 rands. Excessive cost 14.53. While low cost 11.91. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.98. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.58. Change for October 14.0%. Theta figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 13.58 rands. Excessive cost 13.58. While low cost 11.76. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.89. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 12.64. Change for November 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 12.64 rands. Excessive cost 13.74. While low cost 11.94. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.79.